Got a loose bolt. Yep. Come right out. Not stripped or anything. They just back out from all the vibration and shit. We got grease that's probably flying out of this as it's spinning. Grease all over this shit. Yeah. Today is day one. I always show you guys all the fun shit, but I never show you the real shit. So today is day one of cleaning the SC and addressing any, problems it has. So this was all inside of the SC, bro. In my fucking trunk, back seat, passenger, foot, it's crazy. Let me show you. We got this cleaned out. Get that out of there. Only thing I got in here now is some fucking intake piping for this car. Steering wheel, the stock steering wheel shit. We got some mud flaps, stock mud flaps for it. But got the interior almost cleaned out. There's still more shit in it. Work fucking pants and shit, boots. But we got so many things we need to do to this car. I just haven't done. Let's see. Right here, we got. I actually went to Toyota and got a new thermostat. But I haven't put it in. I've had this shit for like a year. So now that I'm in my new house and I got the space, we're finna address everything. We need a new fan. We need a new, whatever this part's called, the clutch, fan clutch. We need a tune-up, spark plugs, wires. We need to fix the exhaust leak on here. We need to put new gaskets down there and up here. We need to get a new fucking, I don't know what this shit called. Y'all know what I'm talking about. The fucking plastic piece that goes over this shit. Obviously put the thermostat in. I don't know if I said that already. We got a new battery, got a new alternator. This thing has just been sitting there and we're gonna address everything. So this is day one. Today, I'm focusing on cleaning it out. Like I said, all of this shit was in there, in the trunk. If you know me, you remember how this trunk used to look. This is hella trunk room. SCs have hella trunk room. So I was able to put hella shit in there. We're recording with the iPhone today. Bro, this shit was in here, this barbecue grill, bro. But yeah, I'm moving in, so there's hella trash around, but we got a new, whole new clutch. All the parts that's needed. We got all the clutch parts that's needed and shit. We just need to get like new fluid and just a couple little things. I don't know when I'm gonna do that, but I know it's gonna be needed soon. We need to wash this thing. But I don't, let me talk about this real quick. What's up, Juju? So we got these SC300 axles. I really don't think there's a difference. I really think they're the same, but the only problem is that hopefully we have the nuts for this. And Yeah, that's it. That's the only thing I was worried about. And we don't have a impact anymore to get this to get the nut off of it. But we're gonna get it done. Like I said, this is just day one, so I'm focusing on cleaning the shit out and getting ready, like getting this thing up on jack stands, getting ready for everything as far as swapping these axles, putting this thermostat on, which is not hard at all. It's just right here on this, on that hose right there, behind there. Yeah, my engine hasn't been this dirty since I bought the car, bro. Yeah, this thing's just been sitting, bro. I need to take care of it, so. Day one. All right, so stuff like this happens, you know, when you're moving. I still got shit at my apartment that I need to go get, but I don't have any jack stands. I just looked everywhere. I thought they were in here. That's how much shit was in here. I thought they were in here, but they're not, so I gotta go make a quick little trip because we need to do jack stands all around because we're gonna be working in the front and in the rear. So I'm gonna go pick those up real quick. I don't even have a tire to throw under or nothing, so we gotta go pick that up. All right, we back at the crib. I had to turn the light on. It's getting a little dark out here, rainy day, but we got the wheels off. We got the car jacked up, and we just broke this loose. The AutoZone one is a 32. I think the stock ones are 36, but we have to put a breaker bar on this breaker bar. But we got this crusty shit loose, and this is how I know it's broke. This is one example. That's broke. I'm gonna show you the other side. This is a stock one. The other side is AutoZone, but nothing. And another example. See how that axle is like, just look at it. Looks like it's evenly going in the center. And then got the other side that is just like, fuck, you can't see it because of suspension, but yeah, it's fucked. But yeah, we're taking this shit off. Also, we got a loose bolt. Yep, come right out. Not stripped or anything, they just back out from all the vibration and shit. We got grease that's probably flying out of this as it's spinning. Grease all over this shit. Yeah. Oh yeah, this is my exhaust setup. Single exit all the way down. But yeah, let me get to work, man. I'm gonna keep y'all updated. Damn, it looks disgusting and old and rusty under here. But yeah, this ain't no how-to, but it's a how-to, motherfucker. Look, this is what's holding your axle in to your differential. They come on these little shits right here like this. Like right here, like there, like that. We ain't got the GoPro, so we on the phone, but get you a motherfucking 10 mil Allen head like that and just unscrew these shits, man. Quick and easy. Juju, you can't be under here, man. Yeah, but yeah, man, we getting this. All right, so you know that bolt, I don't know if I filmed it or not, but this bolt was already backed out. I'm trying to figure out what the fuck is blocking it. Bro, that looks like a rock. Oh, fuck. Bro. There's literally a rock in here. Literally a fucking little piece of rock. Always thought, so there's 4 of these bolts. There's 3 on the top side, 3 on the bottom. I always thought these 2 were broke. Like the last couple times I did it, I wasn't able to get these 2 like fully tight. This one just keeps spinning and the threads are fucked. And this one just like wouldn't go in all the way. Now I fucking know. It's a little fucking rock in here the whole time. So we got the SC400 one in. So this passenger side is longer than the driver's side, if you guys ever need that information. But shit, where's that fucking bolt at? Let's see if this shit goes in now. Cause I'm over here like screwing it. Yeah, shit goes in no problem. Did I fuck the threads? Nope. We're good. We're good money. I just hammered that shit out. So I put my pinky back here. I'm like, what the fuck is that in there? Why isn't it going all the way through? So we're good now. Juju, we good now. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. We'll put the other one in there. This is the poop ass AutoZone one. So everything's good now. I'm about to put these rims back on for the rear. Get these jack stands from up under it. And then I'm gonna come into the front. There we go. That's it for the rear end. I think that's the only thing that was needed back there. So for the front, we're gonna have to do, just for now at least, we're gonna put the new thermostat on. The car isn't overheating, but the reason why I'm doing this is because when I first got this car, it would, when I do pulls on the freeway, it'll like, the temp will almost go down. It would go down as I'm doing pulls, like smashing the freeway, and now it doesn't. And just idling, it sits like, if you got an SE, you know it sits kind of lower, but right now it just sits in the middle. So it's like running hotter. It's not overheating, but it just runs hotter. So I didn't have this shit for so long, bro. Everything looks good. Doesn't look like it got rusted out or anything, but yeah, I went to either the Toyota or Lexus. I can't remember, but I got this shit, so we're gonna put it in. I don't know if I'm gonna do that today, but we're doing the thing. Right, son? Yeah, we're doing it, man. One thing at a time. This just happened. All right, so basically what happened was I let the jack down all the way on the side, but obviously nothing's fitting under that. I'm used to my IS350, jacking up my IS350 and my homeboy's G35, we jack it up on the sides. But this car, you only can jack it up on the diff in the back. So I just let it down too fast and it fucking crumbled it, but it's cool. I'm just gonna put a scheme sticker over it. But we in the front now. And we're gonna tighten up this exhaust lead. We don't have a gasket right now. We're just gonna tighten the bolts. And then we'll see about draining this coolant and shit. I gotta figure out where my shit is at to catch all the shit that comes out. But we're gonna change the thermostat. But yeah, fiberglass, that's what happens, it cracks. But it's good, it flexed just enough to where it really isn't that bad. So I'm gonna just put a fucking sticker over it, fuck it, drift car. But anyways, this is how we looking right now. Yes sir, day 2. We went and got some little drain pan things, so we're about to take this shit off. I just covered the alternator real quick. Take that off, 2 10mm, and swap it out for the new one. Where the fuck is the new one at? Right here. Like I said, this isn't out, but you know, just maintenance. Try to see if I can get the SC running like cold again. So let's do it. I'm gonna take this off. All right, we got the new thermostat in. So this one still works, so I'm gonna keep it just in case, but See, we got some sludge on there from when I first got this car. It was like when I took this off and looked, it was disgusting. So like mixing coolant and water and shit. So yeah, man, we're gonna see. This one looks good. I'm gonna keep it. So basically when you pull that out, it's just in there like that, and you kind of gotta wiggle it and pull it out. But we made a fucking mess. I did my best I could, bro, but we're doing it. So now I'm about to just tighten these bolts up right here. And yeah, we good. Got everything back up and going. I just had it idling for a long time. The temp didn't go above where it's supposed to go. It's not supposed to be a half, it's supposed to be a little below. It hasn't went up. We're gonna see when we drive. But good news, scheme team just said there's a meet, so perfect. I get a reason to drive it around, so I'm about to wash it right now. We finna dip. We're at the car meet though. That nigga off the Casamigos, nigga got off the hand, the tequila. What are you talking about? Everybody started running and shit. Just cops pulled in. Everybody's trying to leave at once. I'm not going right now. If I'm going that way.
Oh, dude, I'm going all the way around the Walmart.
Oh, God.
Oh, you're trying to go swing in that back line? I think I might get some swing time.